Hi, Lokesh.
Hi, sir. Good evening, sir.
Good evening. Yesterday, what discussed, no? Dictionary methods and set methods, right? Have any questions in that? Okay. In this, no? అప్పుడు ఏం చేయండి no, what will you? You have recording, right? Yes, good. Huh? That's good. So, Lokesh, you have any doubts in that?
No, sir. No, sir. I'm fine, sir.
So, today we'll start operators, no? Okay. First, we'll cover the basic fundamentals. So, I hope you guys clear data types completely, right? Ma? Up to dictionary methods, right? So, in this session, now we are going to discuss operators. Operators. It is also very, very important topic. Ma? So, basically, guys, the operators is nothing but like symbols. Symbols. So, operators means symbols. So, mathematical operations, plus, minus, multiplication, division, this kind of operations in right, ma? So, same thing only. The operators means using some symbols to just make some mathematical operations or logical operations. It is called as operator. Okay. So, make some mathematical or logical operations and calculations is called as one operator, basically. ఓకే అంటే ఒక అడిషన్ ని ఒక సబ్స్ట్రాక్షన్ ని మనం ఒక ఆపరేటర్ అంటాం. ఏ క్యాల్కులేషన్స్ అయినా ఒక ఆపరేటర్ అని చెప్తాము, సరేనా? సో బేసిక్ గా ఇక్కడ in Python we have some types of operators used. Okay, so we have almost 5 types of operators present here. So one is a arithmetic operator on the user, and then comparison operator on the user actually, and we have a logical operator also is there, logical operator, and membership also on the user, membership operator, and finally we have a identity operator. These types of operators are present in Python. These are the major five types of it. Okay, what is the arithmetic, comparison, logical, membership, and identity? These are the operators are present in the Python. Clear? So basically, so what is operator? Operators means symbols, using symbols to just make some mathematical operations or logical calculations. Okay, calculation ni manam operator antam basically. So arithmetic operator is nothing but it is similar to the mathematical calculations. Mathematical calculation is called as arithmetic operator. Okay, mathematical calculation etla cheyagalama? Of course, plus. Here, what are the symbols are present here? Plus, minus, star, multiplication, and then backslash, division. So these symbols use chesi మనం ఒక mathematical calculations ని చేయగలం, right? So now we'll see, guys. We'll see the example. A is equal to 10. A is a variable name, value is a 10. Kadama? So B and a value 20. See, the two ni add cheyali. A plus B. So print of A value is 10 plus B. So 10 plus 20 is equal to 30 is the output right now. Run model here. You can see 30. This is how the calculations will work basically. If I'll just keep it here, minus means what is output right now? Minus 10 is the output. Minus 10. If I'll just going to pass here, multiplication. Star means what happens here? 200. Right, ma? So it will be multiplication basically. Run model 200. Suppose if I am passing here backslash, what happens now? Division basically. We'll see 0.5. So basically arithmetic operator, I think, but mathematical calculations is called as arithmetic operator. These are all fine, ma. These are all fine. Suppose I'll just let you know 100. What happened? What will print right now? ఇప్పుడు ఏం ప్రింట్ అవుతుంది మనకు? It will print 100 only because it's string, right, ma? Run the model now. Let's see what happens here. You will get 100. Suppose now this string 100 plus B. What is the output right now? Syntax error. Why? Because see here can only concatenate string, not to string. For example, ma, why? Because you're getting this error means this is a string, B is a integer. So B value which data type is there? Integer, but this is a string. Okay, string ni integer ni add cheyalem manam Python lo basic ga ma. Suppose now what happens? Because both are string. రెండు ఏమి ఇస్తామో అది ప్రింట్ అవుతుంది ఇక్కడ. స్ట్రింగ్ అంటే మనం ఇచ్చిన వాల్యూస్ ప్రతిదీ యాజ్ యూజువల్ గా ప్రింట్ అవుతుంది మనం. దట్ ఈస్ కాల్డ్ యాజ్ స్ట్రింగ్. క్లియరా? యా. సో ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ I will just going to pass here. We'll just pass some of the informations again. 2 3. Now what is the output here? Error. Why? Because these both are strings. This is a integer value. So integer ni string ni add cheyalema. ఇప్పుడు మనం సపోజ్ స్ట్రింగ్ లో పాస్ చేస్తున్నది. ఇప్పుడు ఏం అవుట్పుట్ వస్తుంది మనకు? 100 123 whatever given there. String అంటే as usual ప్రింట్ అవుతుంది మనకు. ఇంటిజర్ అయితే క్యాలిక్యులేషన్ జరుగుతుంది. బట్ స్ట్రింగ్ ఇంటిజర్ నథింగ్ వర్క్స్. Clear, ma? So this is how the calculations will basically works, ma. So I hope arithmetic operations clear. Arithmetic is nothing but mathematical calculations is called as arithmetic operators, right? That's good. Now coming to the comparison operators, ma. So we'll just comment these things. Comparison. So comparison operator is used to compare two values. For two values ni compare cheyali ma. So etla comparison two values ni? How to compare two values? For two values ni compare cheyandi em symbols etla compare chestam? Of course, tell me. Of course, double equal to one thing is there, ma. Equal. So you can compare using this symbol also, and then greater than symbol, and then greater than equal, and then less than symbol, less than equal to, and then not equal to also. So using these symbols, you can compare two values. Compare two values, right, ma'am? Suppose, for example, guys, for example, here I just declare A is equal to 10, B is equal to 20. So one more thing is, ma, these comparison operators return Boolean values, either true or false. If the condition is true means you will get output is true or else false. Suppose if I'll just going to pass it here, print A double equal to B. What is the meaning for A double equal to B? It means the both values are same. The both values are same. This condition is true or false? False, because both are not same. What we given here, both are same. So the condition is false. That's good. You see now, they're getting false over here. For example, now if I'm just going to pass not equal to B, A not equal to B. What's the meaning of A not equal to B, ma? Of course, it's true because we are telling you the both are not equal. Of course, the both are not equal. So the output is right now. It's true. Clear, ma? Suppose A greater than B. A value is greater than B. It's true or false? A is greater than B. I mean 10 is greater than 20. True or false? It's false because A value is lesser than the B right mark. So A greater than or equal to B means true or false? Even now also false only. So A less than B means it's true. Of course, A value is less than B only is there actually. It's true. Less than or equal to B means తక్కువ కానీ equal value. Either same value or lesser value. True or false? అర్థం కాలేదమ్మా? లెస్ దెన్ ఆర్ ఈక్వల్ టు అంటే సో ఏ వాల్యూ అనేది 10 కదా నార్మల్ గా, బి వాల్యూ అనేది 20. సో 10 అనేది లెస్ దెన్ కానీ ఈక్వల్ కానీ 20 కన్నా 10 అనేది ఈక్వల్ గా ఉంటది, దానికన్నా తక్కువ ఉంటది. ట్రూ ఆర్ ఫాల్స్? ట్రూ. ఎయిదర్ ఈక్వల్ ఆర్ లెస్సర్ వాల్యూ. ట్రూనే కదమ్మా? సపోజ్ ఇక్కడ గ్రేటర్ ఆర్ ఈక్వల్ టు, వాట్ ఇస్ ద మీనింగ్ ఫర్ దిస్ వన్? సో 10 greater than or equal to 20. False, of course. So it's fine. So this is how you can handle the comparison operators, ma. It's clear? Yeah, that's good. So Meghana, have any doubts, ma? Lokesh?
Sir, starting లో నేను లేను సార్, మళ్ళీ రిపీట్ ఏమైనా చేస్తారా?
Yeah. Sure. No issue. So basically, guys, operators is nothing but Meghana, it's a symbols. So basically, using symbols, you just make some mathematical operations or logical operations is called as operators. So calculations ni చేయడం కోసం యూస్ చేసేది ఒక ఆపరేటర్. బేసికల్లీ మ్యాథమెటికల్ క్యాలిక్యులేషన్స్ కానీ ఆర్ ఎల్స్ లాజికల్ క్యాలిక్యులేషన్స్ ని ఒక ఆపరేటర్ అంటాం, సరేనా? సో ఇన్ బేసికల్లీ ఇన్ పైథాన్ we have 5 types of operators is there, ma. One is a arithmetic operator. Arithmetic is nothing but it's a mathematical calculations. So how we can do the mathematical calculations? Using these symbols, either plus or minus or star means multiplication or division. Using these operations only you can achieve arithmetic, I mean mathematical calculations. So here I given A value is 10, B value is 20. Suppose if you want to add those two values, means what we do? A plus B. So if you are passing A plus B, what is output here, ma?
30, sir.
Of course, 30. You'll get the both values will be adding here. If you are passing here star, what happens right now? It will be multiplication. It gets 200. If you are passing here minus, means what happens here? You will get
10.
minus 10.
Minus.
If you are passing here backslash, means what happens? Division, you will get 0.5. So this is how the arithmetic operators will be works. When the basic mathematical calculations is called as arithmetic operator. Clear?
Okay.
Meghana?
Okay, sir.
Yeah. So now coming to the comparison operators. So comparison means you have to compare two values, ma. So how to compare the values? So using these symbols only you can compare the values, ma. Either double equal to or greater than symbol or greater than or equal to, less than or equal to or not equal to. Using these symbols you can compare two or more values. Okay. So but the comparison operator returns Boolean values only, either true or false. If the condition is true means you will get true statement. If the condition is false means you will get the false statement. Clear? So
Yes.
now here I will just remove these comment lines. Now here I given here A value is 10, B value is 20 mark. Suppose if I'll just going to pass A double equal to B, it means so we are telling A and B the both are same, true or false?
False.
Of course, it's a false. Now we'll see the output here. It's a false because the both values are not same. If I'll just going to pass not equal to B, it means A and B the both are not same. Of course, the both values are not same. This condition true or false?
True.
Of course, it's a true statement. Clear? Now we'll get true here. So this is how you can compare the values. You can use greater than, less than. These symbols also you can use here. So I will just use here A value is less than B. True or false?
True, sir.
Of course, it's true, right, ma? So A value is less than B only. It's true. So less than or equal to B means true or false? True or false? It's true only. So greater than B means false. Greater than or equal to means false. Clear, Meghana?
Yes, sir.
That's good. So Lokesh, you have any doubt? Okay, is not there. Lokesh?
No, sir, no doubt, sir.
Yeah, okay, that's good. So now coming to the logical operator, guys. This is also very important thing, ma. So logical, have any idea, guys? What are logical operators is there? You guys study in the colleges also. These things you get in 12th standard also, I mean, the intermediate also. So what are the logical operators are there, ma? And one operator is there actually, and then of course R, one operator is there, ma. These two symbols here we can't able to use symbols. So basically and symbol represents this and symbol, ma. R symbol represents this R symbol, straight lines, two lines. So basically in Python is a English like language. English like language, ma. So that for that we have to use here and then R only, we can't able to use here symbols. Okay, so what is and what is R? It means so basically guys, it's a very important operator, ma. So and operators, it means if we have two or more operators, so this is one operator, right? A greater or equal to B. This is called as one operator. A plus B is a one operator. So like that, we have two or more operators. In that two or more operators, if any one of the operator is true, means see A is equal to 20, B is equal to 30, and C is equal to 40. Three values are given. And the print statement, print A value is 20. So I'll just going to tell here A value is greater than 10. This condition true or false? So A value is greater than 10. True or false? True or false, ma? Sorry, A value, ma? 20. So A 20 is greater than 10. True or false? అంటే ఏ వాల్యూ 10 కన్నా ఎక్కువ ఉంది. ట్రూ ఆర్ ఫాల్స్ మా? అఫ్ కోర్స్ 10 కన్నా ఎక్కువ ఉంది కదా. ఇప్పుడు ట్రూ ఆర్ ఫాల్స్? ట్రూనే కదమ్మా. సో అది ఏ అనేది 10 కన్నా ఎక్కువ ఉందని చెప్తున్నా. ఇది ట్రూ. సో అగైన్ ఐ విల్ జస్ట్ యూజ్ హియర్ అండ్ ఆపరేటర్ అండ్ మా. సో బి అనే వాల్యూ 30కి ఈక్వల్ గా చెప్తున్నా. 30కి ట్రూ ఆర్ ఫాల్స్? బి వాల్యూ ఎంత మనకి 30. సో ఆ బి అనే వాల్యూ 30కి ఈక్వల్ గా ఉంది. ట్రూ ఆర్ ఫాల్స్? ట్రూ. Why false, ma? Even the B value also 30 only. So 30 is equal to 30. True or false? Of course, the both values are same only. So it's true. So B I'll just going to pass here. So as of now, we have two operators, ma. This is one operator. This is one operator. If whatever we given a statements, in that statements, both operators are true, it means the condition becomes true. That is called as AND. So now this statement is true or false. అంటే ఇప్పుడు ఇచ్చిన మన రెండు ఆపరేటర్లో ఏదైనా ఒక్కటి రాంగ్ అయినా ఫాల్స్ అయినా స్టేట్మెంట్ ఈస్ ఫాల్స్ ఉంది. The both operators are true, the condition becomes true. Now the both are true or false. So these operators true or false, ma? True. This one, so the both are true, the condition becomes, that's enough. That is called as AND operator. Now it's true. Suppose so I'll just pause here. One. Now these operators true or false? False. This one, this is true, but this one false. AND means both will be true, then only condition becomes true. If any one is false, the statement is false. Now this statement is false. That's it. We'll see. Clear, ma? Suppose, guys, suppose again one more AND operator. Again, you can pass n number of operators like that, one by one, ma. And C value is 40. C is greater than or equal to 30. These operator true or false? అంటే C value 40. 40 అనేది 30 కంటే ఎక్కువ ఉంది ఆర్ ఈక్వల్ గా ఉంది. ట్రూ ఆర్ ఫాల్స్? 30 కంటే ఎక్కువ ఉంది లేకుంటే ఈక్వల్ వాల్యూ ఉంది. ట్రూ ఆర్ ఫాల్స్? ట్రూ. దిస్ కండిషన్ ఈస్ ట్రూ. దిస్ ఆపరేటర్ is true, but this one is false. And means ప్రతి స్టేట్ మనం ఇచ్చిన ప్రతి కండిషన్ ట్రూ అయితే మాత్రమే ట్రూ, లేకపోతే ఫాల్స్ అవుతుంది. సో ఇప్పుడు ఈ స్టేట్మెంట్ అనేది ట్రూ ఆర్ ఫాల్స్ మా? ఫాల్స్. రన్ ಮಾಡಿ ఫాల్స్. సపోజ్ sorry, instead of and, if I'll just pass over here R operator. R. What does it mean by R operator? It means, guys, R means any one of the operators is true, condition becomes true only. So మన ఇచ్చిన కండిషన్స్ లో ఆపరేటర్ లో ఏదైనా ఒక్క ఆపరేటర్ ట్రూ అయినా కండిషన్ is true. Clear, ma? Now this statement is true or false? True, because these operators are true, this is also true, but this one is false. But we have one operator is true, right, ma? So statement is true. So and అంటే ప్రతి స్టేట్మెంట్ ట్రూ అవ్వాలి మా, ప్రతి కండిషన్, ప్రతి ఆపరేటర్. బట్ ఆర్ అంటే if any one of the operator is true, the condition becomes true. So very important thing, ma, logical operator. Is it clear? So logical means and or. And means if both operators is true, the condition becomes true, or else false. Or means, so and operator means both operators are true, condition is true. Or means, or operator means if any one operator is true, condition is equal to true, or else false. Clear, guys? Hope it's clear. So Meghana, Lokesh, you have any questions, ma, in that?
Sir.
No, sir.
Okay, that's good. Now coming to the membership operator, guys. So the membership operator is nothing but, so it is used to check the sequence, ma. So the membership operator is used to check the sequence. So here also we have two symbols is there, ma. The one is a in and not in. In and not in. These two things is called as membership operator. Membership operator, ma. అంటే ఒక సీక్వెన్స్ చెక్ చేయడానికి యూస్ చేయడమే మెంబర్షిప్ ఆపరేటర్ బేసిక్. సీక్వెన్స్ అంటే ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ సి ఏ ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు విజయ్. సో ఆ ఏ అనే వేరియబుల్ లో ఏమేమి వాల్యూస్ ఉన్నాయమ్మా? VIJAY. These are the sequence basically. Now we have to check either the specific sequence is there or not. If the sequence is there means we'll get true statement. If the sequence is not there, we'll get false statements. So it means the membership operator also return Boolean values. For example, print statement, print of any one variable. V is a sequence. The sequence is there or not? V. Only V and value. So V in operator, which variable? A. So A and a variable lo a specific sequence unte gana it's true or else false. Now this is true or false? It's true. Run module. It's true. Suppose I will just going to pass here uppercase V, not true or false. Now it's false. There is no sequence of uppercase V. It's false. So you can pass any sequence, not only V, VI is there or not. Lowercase vi is there or not? The sequence is there or not? Vi sequence is there, right? So run the model now. True. So that is the use of membership operator. So now uppercase V in A. What is the output now? False. I will just pass here not in A. Uppercase V not in A. There is no uppercase V. True or false? Of course, true. There is no uppercase V, right? That is the use of membership operator. Membership is used to check the sequence of given value or given string. Clear, ma? Have any questions? That's good. So finally, we have a identity operator, ma. This is nothing but it is similar to the double equal to. What is double equal to, ma? Double equal to or not equal to. It is similar work like that only basically. So identity operator is used to check the memory location, guys. It is used to check the memory location. Okay. So basically, guys, here also we have two operators. One is a is and is not. So is similar to the double equal to. Is not is similar to the not equal to. Clear? It works like the same procedure only, ma. For example, guys, x value is 100, y value is 200. Now print of x is y. What is the meaning of x is y, ma? X is equal to y. Now this condition true or false? False, because both values are not same. Now you can see here it's a false. Suppose x is not y. What is the output right now? Not equal. Of course, not values, not equal right now. Suppose these I am just going to pass here 100. Now what is the output right now? X is not y. False. Now x is y means true. So this is how the operators will work, ma. So what is the operator? What is the operator? So operators means actions or symbols. So using symbols, just make some mathematical operations or logical operators is called as an operation. We have 5 types of operators present in Python. One is a arithmetic. It means mathematical calculations is called as arithmetic operator. Then we have some symbols plus, minus, star, division. So and comparison operator. Comparison means compare 2 or more values using double equal to, greater than, less than, greater or equal to, less than or equal to, not equal to. And logical means and or. And means what do you mean by and operator, ma? Ante if we are passing 2 or more operator. See here, we given 3 operators, ma, R operator. A 3 lo R means a 3 lo either okkad true aina true ne. But instead of R we are passing and means so pratidi true or manaku appude a statement true avutadi appudu ante false avutadi. This is called as and. So both operators are true, the condition becomes true, or else false. That is called as and operator. R means If any one of the operators is true, the condition becomes true or else false. That is called as R. What is the membership operator now? It is used to check the sequence. There we have in and not in. Even that membership operators Boolean values only. Okay. What is the identity operator? It is used to check the memory location of given values. There we have to operate. One is and is not. Have any questions, ma? So Lokesh and Meghana.
No, sir.
That's good.
No, sir.
Okay. Now coming to the conditions, guys. So whatever we discuss right now, that those things we have to implement the conditions now. Conditions. So basically, we have some statements is there, ma. One is a if. One condition is actually if, and then if. One condition is there, ma. And finally we have a else. These three things called as a conditions basically. Conditional statements. Conditional statements. So the basic syntax for this if function. So here we have to pass one condition. I mean on operator we have to pass a greater than b. Something on operator one condition we have to pass. Condition nothing but this is a condition ma. See a greater than b. There it is. Yeah, a greater or equal to b. This is a condition actually. Like there on condition we have to pass here. Condition. If this if condition is true means semicolon. So if statement should be passed on statement actually, ma. On statement we have to pass here. On statement is there. So next I'm just firstly given the elif. Again one more condition is there. So again one more statement here, and finally else there is any conditions on statement is there. This is a basic syntax for if elif else ma. So what is the meaning for this means? The code, the Python is a single threading. It means the code executing step by step, right now. So whenever this if condition, ఇప్పుడైతే if condition true అవుతుందో అప్పుడు మనకు ఈ if statement ట్రిగర్ అవుతుంది, ఎగ్జిక్యూట్ అవుతుంది, మనకు అవుట్పుట్ షో అవుతుంది. ఎప్పుడైతే if statement ఫాల్స్ అవుతుందో నెక్స్ట్ elif కి వెళ్తుంది కూడా అనేది నెక్స్ట్ లైన్ కి. సో సిమా if condition is true, if statement will be triggering. తర్వాత ఉన్నది ఎగ్జిక్యూట్ అవ్వదు మనకు. If it is true also. What I'm trying to say, guys, so if this if condition is true, if statement is executing. So after that the code never execute. మళ్ళీ ఎగ్జిక్యూట్ అవ్వదు, అంటే ట్రూ అయిన తర్వాత ఎగ్జిక్యూట్ అవ్వదు. ఎప్పుడైతే if కండిషన్ ఫాల్స్ అవుతుందో ఇప్పుడు మాత్రమే కోడ్ అనేది ఎలిఫ్కి వెళ్తుంది అనమాట. ఇది ఫాల్స్ అయినప్పుడు కోడ్ ఎలిఫ్కి వెళ్తుంది. ఎలిఫ్ కండిషన్ ట్రూ అయితే ఎలిఫ్ స్టేట్మెంట్ ఎగ్జిక్యూట్ అవుతుంది. సరేనా? If suppose both are false, both conditions false means by default గా else అనే బ్లాక్ ఎగ్జిక్యూట్ అవుతుంది. సరేనా? if condition true అయితే ఏమవుతుంది? what happens ma? else అవ్వదు, elif అవ్వదు. if condition is true, these two statements never execute. Suppose if it is false, then only code will be elif. Again these also false means by default else will trigger. These are basic syntax for if else conditions, guys. For example, one example I'll explain. For example, we'll see a is equal to 100, b is equal to 200. So values are given here. If a value is greater than 90, if this condition is true means I have to print in console statement correct. See what I'm trying to say? If this condition is true means I have to print this statement in the console. If it is false means what we need to do? Elif statement. Here also I'm just going to pass on condition ma. A value is double equal to 100. If this condition true means I have to print something I have to print in the console. Right. If the both are false, both values are false means by default else. I have to print here something I have to print in the console. Now let me know which condition is true, which condition will execute right now. See, if condition will check right now, A value is 100. 100 is greater than 90. Condition becomes true or false. This condition is true. If this condition is true means the statement is correct. It will print in the console, statement is correct. So run the module now. Correct. So even now, if you can check, even this condition also true only. But the first priority is if. Suppose if will be false, there only the code moving to the elif. As of now, these two things, nothing will happen. Suppose I will just pass here 100. True or false? This one. How is true? అంటే ఏ వాల్యూ 100 కన్నా పైన వెళ్తుంది 100 ఈక్వల్ టు కాదు 100 కన్నా పైన ఉంది ట్రూ ఆర్ ఫాల్స్ ఇఫ్ ఇట్ ఈస్ ఫాల్స్ వాట్ హ్యాపెన్స్ హియర్ elif now is condition true or false true now what is output now right is the output suppose a less than 100 this condition true or false a అనే వాల్యూ 100 కన్నా తక్కువ ఉంది నాట్ ఈక్వల్ వాల్యూ 100 కన్నా తక్కువ ఉంది true or false if both are false what happens here else is it will print in the console default statement. This is how the conditions will work now. I hope it's clear. Everybody having any questions ma? Sure, that's good. Now if I am passing here a greater than or equal to 100 now true or false if condition ante a అనే వాల్యూ 100 ఉండొచ్చు మేబీ 100 ఉండొచ్చు లేదా 100 కన్నా పైన ఉండొచ్చు ట్రూ ఆర్ ఫాల్స్ ఇట్స్ ట్రూ రైట్ మా now what is our output ma clear suppose a greater than 100 true or false it's false a less than or equal to 100 true or false this one ante a అనే వాల్యూ 100 కన్నా తక్కువ ఉండొచ్చు or else equal value 100 కన్నా ఉండొచ్చు true or false true so the statement is right now right clear ma so this is how you can handle guys one more value suppose r operator I'm just using here r operator b is greater than 50 now which condition is true which statement will trigger right now if condition true or false if condition true or false ma why it false can you explain please ante ee condition true or false ma a greater than 100 true or false false b greater than 50 initial value is 200 it means b అనే value 50 కంటే ఎక్కువ ఉంది true or false true r means in both operators any one of the operators true the condition becomes true so now this is false but this one true now this statement is true or false true only output is now correct now you see here clear mark suppose now less than 50 now this if condition true or false this operator true or false this one now false the both are false means the both are false right now condition also false only now this condition false in the code moving to the elif now this condition true or false a less than or equal to 100 true output is right now right suppose I will just pass and operator b double equal to 200 what is the output right now and means both will be to the condition becomes true 8 mark so these operator true only even these also true only and means the both are true the condition becomes true now this condition is true output is right you see now clear ma suppose if I just pass here not equal to 100 what is the output right now default statement is a output this is how the conditions you can implement ma clear anybody have any questions ma sure now do one thing just make one basic example using these conditions ma using and r operator just declare some values and just implement some conditions just execute the code. Sorry, just write the note in code. Just implement if condition, if else. Basic program you can write here. Clear. So Meghana, Lokesh, have any doubt?
No, sir.
No, sir.
That's good. So operators conditions is clear today, right, ma? So very basic fundamentals is clear, ma. Very basic things. Whatever discussed today up to classes. From tomorrow, we'll start loops concept. Loops is a very important topic, ma. So up to the classes, the very basic fundamentals. Okay. So just do an example, guys. Just make an example, normal example, anything. Don't write it. So daily basis, you have to practice, ma. Practice is must and should. If you're not practicing, you can't get the knowledge. If you practice daily basis, whatever you explain in class. Okay. If you miss one day also, you can't get back to class. See, you need to understand the concept once you miss the class. Okay. Just follow it properly the class. Everything. Letting any issue, let me. Okay, if anything. Okay.